This is the paper I use to practice my curving skills. I just use the flat knife to cut curved lines and cutter to cut straight lines. I just practice like this, and it is practical to improve your cutting skills, and you can do this with paper instead of leather. I just use the clear tape to hold the pattern down securely. I just use a ruler to cut straight lines, so it's easy, but I can't use it to cut curved lines. That's why I need to practice my cutting skills. It also saves my leather and money. I only use one logo stamp to emboss my logo on the leather. I made this stamp guide to mark my logo accurately. And I just used a paper and balsa wood to make it. But it does a good job. Since I just use one logo, I don't need to buy a hot foil machine, and the stamp is reasonable price. I just press it. I use the creasing machine to decorate my leather. First, I assemble the tip and the body and hold it like this. When I crease the curved lines, I need to lift the back of the tip like this. when I bond both the backs of the leather piece, I don't need to scratch them. I can just bond them together. But if I bond the back of the leather to the front of the leather, I need to scratch the front one. I use a pricking iron and a diamond pricking iron to make stitching holes. I make a 2.5 millimeter divider line from the edge. And I put the blade under the divider line like the photo. And I hold it like this. And hit it. You can see it under the divider line. And this is a diamond pricking iron. So first I make a 2.5 millimeter divider line from the edge, same as a pricking iron. But I put the blade on the divider line, not under the divider line. So I hold it like this. And hit it. You can see it on the divider line. Here, I just made the stitching holes only one side, and here I made the stitching holes on each side. So I will start stitching here first. And I cut the thread 4 times of the stitching line. 1, 2, 3, 4. I make them even, and left to right. Just closer. Make them cross. Just hold it like this. So this side is down and this side is up. So make it tight. So left to right and make them cross and hold it like this. Yeah, make them tight. Cross, hold, make them tight. So once you finish the stitching, I usually go through one more hole like this to make it strong. And I just leave 5mm and just cut and use the lighter. The other side is same stitching as before. This is called nori, which is a kind of seaweed. I just boil it and use it for burnish. I burnish leather to prevent the edge of the leather from becoming rugged. One piece of the leather looks like this, so I need to bevel the edge to make them round. Once I burnish it, the edge of the leather looks round. When I bond the leather together, the edges may not be even, so to fix this, I can make them even using sandpaper. But it makes a sharp angle, so I need to bevel in order to round them. It looks like this, and make it round shape with a wood slicker.